Good morning, dear students. We have started new lesson federalism, and in that we have studied what is federalism and what are the objectives of federalism. What is federalism? It is a system of government in which the power is shared between the levels of the government. What are the objectives? Its objective is to promote unity and diversity in the country. Now, what are the two crucial aspects of an ideal federalism? Crucial means extremely important. Which are the two extremely important aspects are there? That government at different levels should agree to some rules of power sharing. Government at different level means union level, state level, village level, they should agree to some rules. What are the rules of power sharing? If suppose central government is giving applying some rule is pass and or central government is passing any act and it is not accepted by state government, then this will not be good. If whatever central government is giving any suggestion or it is passing any law, then the state government must accept it. But if the state government is not ready to accept, then the central government must look into the matter and then come to a conclusion so that it will be accepted to the state government also. So in this way, whatever rules are shared of power, they must agree to all the rules. Next, trust means vishwas, faith. Trust and agreement, they must have trust on each other and there must be agreement to live together. This is the most important aspect of federalism. Ideal means extremely good. Now there are two types of federalism. How the world is managing their own country, how this system is adopted in the democratic world. There are two types of federation. One is coming together federation, another is holding together federation. Let us see what is coming together and holding together federation. See, independent states. What are independent states? Independent states here means you can say independent nations. They come together on their own will to form a bigger unit. For example, we can say USA. USA, if you see the map of USA, there are so many states are there, different nations are there. They all are independent, but they all have come under a system to get special protection from other nations. So they are coming together on their own to form a bigger unit, that is USA, United States of America. In this way, 2-3 countries are there in the world. They have come together. They have formed a bigger unit. Now, what is holding together? It hold means pakad ke rakhna in one country. Now large country like India, they have decided to large country decides to divide power between constitutional units and center. Now in this type of federation, what our country has done, it has divided power. It means it has given power to the constitutional units. What are constitutional units? We can say all the states are the constitutional units. In the states, all the districts, then the districts are divided into wards. When you during election, you all are familiar with the word ward, ward, ward number 1, ward number 2, all these things. So these wards are the constitutional units of the country. So what happens in holding together? Large country decides to divide power. It means it is sharing power between constitutional units and center. In coming together federation, increase security. Why they are coming together? To increase their security by pooling. Pooling means strengthening. Sovereignty means the power that the country to control its own government, the power which the country has to control its own government. They are strengthening their power and to retain their identity. So if they are not safe, then how can they retain their identity? That's why they come together to keep themselves safe in a bigger unit. Now, in holding together federation, center is more powerful vis-a-vis the states. Vis-a means in comparison with. You know, our central government is more powerful than the states. Next, all constituent states have equal power. In coming together federation, you know that all the states, all the nations, they all have equal power. It means they all will get equal status also, and they all will have equal right to vote, equal number of votes, and they all have their independent power. But now in constituent units of federation, in holding together, they have unequal powers. As you know, in India, central government has more power, state government has less powers, village panchayat has less powers. Understand? Now, examples in coming together: USA, Switzerland, and Australia. And the examples are in coming to holding together countries like India, Spain, and Belgium. These countries apply the system of holding together federation. I hope you have understood what is coming together and what is holding together federation. Now the next question comes, that what makes India a federalist nation? Let's see in the next video.